Now your certified storm-ready forecast from NBC 25.
Welcome everyone, I'm meteorologist Ahmed Badji. We have a warm-up coming up this week, and it's a lot more than we've been looking at for the past several weeks. Rewind 7 days. We were talking about having one day below 40. Well, this week we've only got one day below 50. And before we get to that point, we've got a couple more viewer pictures to show you guys. It is spring. Walter, see, there is your proof. We have flowers finally coming up out of the ground. Thank you to Charlene for sending this in. We also have another one. Labs, well, you know what, they kind of like the water a little bit, and while this may be unfortunate when you start to bring them back inside, thank you, Haley, for sending this picture to us as well. And this is what we're actually going to be talking about. The clouds are going to be rolling in as we go later on into tonight. They're already starting to a little bit. The week is going to start off wet, and we are going to be hurtling over 50 degrees as we head straight towards 60. Before we get to that point, we have another cool night ahead of us. 32 degrees for your low overnight tonight. South-southeast winds 5 to 10. As we go into tomorrow, mostly cloudy in the morning. The rain moves in late. I'll show you that in the model in just a minute. 51 degrees for your high. So we are sticking in the 50s. Same thing as we head into the Tri-Cities. 33 degrees for your low overnight tonight. You've got a few more clouds, which is actually going to help you retain that extra degree. Still a little chilly though. 50 degrees for your high tomorrow. Add a little bit more to the winds out of the east-northeast. A little breezier, and obviously that wind is going to start coming in off the bay, especially into the Bay City area. Could be a little chilly. Watch out for that. As we go into the northern counties, well, it's about the same deal. 31 degrees for your low overnight tonight, so you are below freezing, unfortunately, but only by a degree. Much calmer in wind-wise than down to the south. 51 degrees for your high as you go throughout the day tomorrow. Very scattered showers, actually. We're going to see if the rain actually makes it that far north. Now, with our model, you can see the cloud cover is going to be on top of us by about 8 o'clock tonight. That's going to start coming in. I'm going to move out of the way so you can see the rain coming up from the south, and this is all because of low pressure all the way down to the southeast over there. Now, mainly that is going to stay down to our south, and it's going to go away, but the rest of this right here, it's going to slowly go up behind me, and then this is left over. It looks like snow and a mix of freezing rain. The probability of that happening Tuesday night, it's very slim, so don't watch for a lot more than just a couple of snowflakes. It's not going to accumulate. That's the good news. Next 7 days, though, here's what we've got coming up. We do have 60 degrees in the forecast for you as we head towards Thursday, and that's not the only day. 62 on Thursday with a few scattered showers, then 60 and 61 for next weekend. Next weekend is warm, a few scattered showers as well, but it's not going to be anything as heavy as Monday night. And Walter, we talked about this earlier, that there's two seasons here in Michigan, winter and construction season. With this warm-up, yeah, it's probably going to happen.
All right. Thanks so much, Ahmed.